Yo, let's talk about white balancing your clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, let me just say this. Hopefully you don't have to worry about this because you should have done it correctly in the camera before you bring it in to be edited. So let that just be a warning to you to make sure that you white balance in the camera. It's going to make your life way easy. Now, if for some reason things just didn't quite work out while you were filming, you do have a little bit of leeway in editing the white balance in Adobe Premiere. So here I have two clips. One is a little bit too blue, and one of them is a little bit too orange or yellow. And so what we're going to try to do is white balance them to be correct. So to do that in Premiere, I'm going to go up to my color tab, and it brings up this color workspace over here on the right. And if you click on basic color correction, and then just towards the top there's the WB or white balance selector. So I'm going to click the little eyedropper, my cursor turns into an eyedrop, and then I can go ahead and click something in this image that is supposed to be white. And so I'm just going to click the stripes in this guy's shirt here, and let's see what happens. Okay, there it is. So I click the white in the image, and it then tries to balance all of the other colors to make them look correct. So here's the image with proper white balance. Here's without. With and without. Alright, so let's move on to the image that's maybe a little bit too orange or yellow. And it's the same process. So click on it, make sure I'm in my color space, my color editing tab up here. Go ahead and click the white balance selector eyedropper tool, and then select something that is white. And then hopefully, so that was a super subtle change, hopefully it balances everything else to make white look white. So there's the incorrect version, there's the corrected version. Incorrect, correct. And so again, it's fairly straightforward, but I hope that you white balance properly in the camera before you ever brought it in to edit, which is again going to make your life a million times easier. So there you have it. Now it's your turn. Good luck.